you can look for excuses or you can look for solutions. And today we're looking for solutions. So yeah, I was just thinking about that because I think it's a mind frame probably, and by no means we want to condemn that, but we were thinking, how could we offer a solution for people who think they can't start experimenting and playing and creating with light painting if they don't have the perfect circumstances, settings, gear. So basically
model
or
dress.
Yeah, anything. So I think this is about what is the lowest cost possible to experiment with what we do. Make sense?
We're taking for granted that you have access to a smartphone. It's pretty common these days. You or one of your friends has a smartphone. So this is the main camera that we're going to use today. For the flashlight, we'll get a super cheap one that should cost about $2, and we'll use a piece of paper that's worth a fraction of a cent.
Yeah. And as a tripod, we'll probably just use a mug or something like that.
Yeah.
So the total cost of the shot should be around $2. We're hoping.
Get 3.
Of course.
What's the value of this?
A fraction of a cent, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Woo! It works. So we're gonna use the same, we're gonna use the sheet of paper to do 2 different tools. The first one will be, we can say like a tiny tube. I'm gonna roll it, make it the size of the flashlight, and then simply tape it. That makes sense? Okay, so first one.
Yeah, we're really lucky about this $2 flashlight. I can pop it on and off super easily. That's actually better than my flashlights. I wish I could have something like this sometimes. But it's reversed, so it has to be on and then you have to press
To turn it off.
Turn it off. So I go with a 8-second exposure on the phone. The phone is going to be held by this mug here because I want to keep it very simple. I have probably 20 smartphone holders, but I just want to use basic stuff.
As for the second tool, we're going to be using it just like a your rainbow or colorful sheet of paper that we use sometimes. So yeah, you roll the paper around the flashlight and you hold it with your finger, just like a friend of us told us it was like holding a taco, which is a good image.
And what's important here is to look for what you're doing. Look at the light on the subject before you even take the shot. So just test what it looks like on your subject before you take the shot.
So first one, we roll it. Second one, simply wrap it around the flashlight.
Nope.
Let's do it.
Okay. That was about 30 minutes of experimentation. We know it wouldn't be easy. The thing is that we are so used to our equipment. My main problem was the cell phone triggering by the voice. I was screaming, shoot! And it was picking up my voice 1 time out of 10, so a bit frustrating. I'm used to have just a remote in my hand. But overall, I think we created something decent considering the situation. So I had this tube that is just a simple sheet of paper that we rolled and tape, but somehow this one worked better and it's even simpler. No tape needed, only the flashlight, the sheet, and I was turning on and off the light behind him. Having a mug to hold the cell phone is not working super well because every time I had to review the images, I had to take it from the floor and check and then do my framing again. It's hard to do framing when the screen is hidden by the mug. So ideally I would have used a smartphone holder. What are you doing? But the flashlight for $2 was great. I kind of liked it. It was just perfect. It's very dim. I wouldn't use that outdoors during the blue hour, but at night with the stars and the Milky Way, it's more than enough. It's more than what you need.
Yeah, we knew it wouldn't be easy per se because these are tools and way of working that we don't usually use and we're used to our equipment and all, but it worked.
Yeah, if we would be stuck with this for a week, I think we would create a lot of good images. There would be a way to pimp that thing by using colors, like small gels of color on the flashlight itself, so we could turn that piece of paper to pretty much any color. We could also bounce the light by just tipping the tip.
Yeah, the cat likes it better that way.
What's next? The $2 million picture tomorrow.
Nothing. Just leave it there. Okay, Kim, leave it there. Kim.